Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's take a look at the layers of the Earth based on chemical composition and physical properties. The Earth can be divided into three layers based on chemical composition: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The outermost layer of the Earth is called the crust. There are two types of crust: continental and oceanic. The crust averages around 25 miles or 40 kilometers in thickness and can be divided into 15 major tectonic plates that are rigid in the center and have geological activity at the boundaries, such as earthquakes and volcanoes. The Earth's crust contains all three rock types, including igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Oceanic crust lies under the ocean and is thin and is approximately 4 miles or 7 kilometers in thickness, and is composed of dense rocks, including basalt. Continental crust is thicker and ranges from 100 miles thick or 2,900 kilometers, and it's composed of silicate minerals, and they're similar to the ones found in the crust, except with more magnetic. Welcome to Moo Math and Science.
Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a solar Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy, 7 degrees Fahrenheit, due to an
things have something in common. They all involve a change in the altitude that can create a painful clogged feeling in your ears. Actually, our ears perform two sensory functions: hearing and maintenance of body balance. So, let's learn about the structure of a human ear. Anatomically, the ear can be divided into three major sections: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear consists of the pinna and external auditory meatus or canal.